All right, here at another property that I am walking, so that's 2 today. What we're doing for this one is basically the same thing. This is another same property, 3 separate angles. It's contract for deed, it's wholesale deal, and it's also part of multi-package as well. If you look, it's got single AC. Come over here, the meter has been pulled, but the service is still on. Everything is boarded in, it's actually secured. The only thing that I see on the foundation this time is there's a slight bow right here. That is a concern, not a huge deal. What concerns me is these propane tanks. I see meth lab all over this thing. The windows are leaning outward from the basement, but not actual structure. That's just the way those are framed. Now, look at the roof. The roof is, chimney's not flashed. Basically just sitting there, so chimney's gonna need wrapped. It's gonna need a new roof all the way around. Shingles crinkling up. Some of the windows, they're not broken, but they're definitely gonna have to be replaced as well. Let's see if I can't get in here to show you. No, not really. I can enter this property, however, not going to just yet. We're going to do the outside because even though I have permission to enter, the only way I can get in there is with a screw gun. So, we're not going inside there. So the pitch is basically, you got boarded windows, sagging porch, which is a structural issue for the porch itself. You got, here is your little sag. It's a tilt out. So from sillboard down to footer with those red clay brick is what we got right there. This is not a light rehab. It's been being marketed as light rehab. One of the sites has it CFD for $45,000, $2,000 down, $250 closing cost, $850 a month. Once again, this is a CFD trap loaded on the front end. First payment to do up front also. So if it's loaded on the front, you're covering 100% of their acquisition, positioning them to only control the paper. You are entering a deal that has no control whatsoever at all. And that's not cool. So what we're doing is, pardon me, we're looking at everything here. And the whole point of these videos are to show you what not to do. Once again, boots on the ground, in Decatur, Urban Roots Properties LLC. Let us walk you through your deal before you commit, before you sign, and before you get trapped. Also out there again for investors, don't waste your money. Don't rely on pictures. Rely on somebody that knows what they're talking about, that'll go in and inspect this property from top to bottom, from the basement to the rafters.